MOLLE panel on the left and MOLLE panel on the right. Welcome to Savage Off-Road. Guess what we're installing today? We are going to be installing our GWM Cannon MOLLE panel side storage. So if you got a GWM Cannon from a 2020, even the brand new one, you will need this in your ute. So let's get it fitted up and let's go and have a look. What are you doing, Oleg? What's going on? Oh, you just fitted some MOLLE panels. Look, so he's got our battery storage MOLLE panel on this in the Cannon Alpha. He's just fitted that up. Now he's fitting an electric roller to this gorgeous Cannon Alpha. We've done a hoopless bull bar. Check it out. Hoopless bull bar. Woo! And what are you doing, Sammy? Oh, another hoopless bull bar. They're like twins. So we've got two hoopless bull bars, some weather shields. What else are you doing on it? Anything else, Sammy? Suspension. Oh, I'm going to do a lift kit on it. Why not? Because it's here. Another roller shutter going on that sexy Cannon over there. And then we got a new 2025 GWM Cannon, and we are going to fit a MOLLE panel to it. So if you have a look at this, the new bloke's getting all set up for us. This is Jack. Great. So he's going to get set up for this now, and then we're going to put the left and right MOLLE panel on. So let's get this set up. So right now we've got a 10.5mm drill bit. Nutserts will provide a little nutsert tool in the kit that you'll be able to do at home, so you won't have to go out and buy an expensive tool. We'll supply it. Comes with two brackets here for either side. So two brackets, all your nuts and bolts that you need. So we'll get them all out and ready to go. And let's mark it all and let's get it all drilled in and fit it up. Okay, so we're gonna start off by removing the tie down points, which are here, which are a 10mm. They've got a bit of, we normally whack a socket on it just so you can get it off because there's a build up here. All right, so we've got the 10mm on there, so we just need to get it off now. Easy as that. So you undo these, hold your panel up like that. Okay, so it comes with a bracket in the kit. Use the bracket that comes, make sure you use the right side because this was the wrong side. All right, so I just had to loosen these brackets because this customer's got a canopy on here, and we've had to lift the corner of this up. Couldn't do it on camera. But what we're going to do is we're going to mount this bracket through here with a nut and bolt that's provided in the kit. What I normally do is just pre-build all the bolts so they've got all the right hardware with it. So you're going to put all the split washers on. That always gives you an indication of where everything goes. So you can see you've got 3 smaller ones and 2 longer ones. All right, so we're just going to mount this quickly first. Just put this nut and bolt through here. And then we're going to swivel that into position and just see where that sits. Okay, and then you've got obviously adjustability for the MOLLE panel to come out. Move in and put that back in. All right, so we'll put that back in properly in a sec, but right now you can see that's got adjustability. We have put this bracket on, put the nut and bolt, the short one through here. These ones are also the short ones, so you got 1, 2, 3 short bolts. Split washer, flat washer are going on here. That holds that bracket. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to mark this in here, okay? Then once that's marked, we can also mark this one as well, which is at the back here. So you can see we mark that one there. Now we can move this out of the way and then we can drill those, put 2 nutserts in. So you got 1 nutsert, 2 nutserts. Oh, and there's a light in here. How cool is that? Just came on out of the blue. It's got a motion sensor, that was a bit late. So we'll get that marked up and put the nutserts in, and then your MOLLE panel's installed. It's as easy as that. All right, we're just gonna undo this. And we're gonna drill our hole now with our drill bit, which is 10.5 drill bit. Make sure you're going through, when you're going through the tub, you don't hit the outside of the tub, especially here. You have got a fair bit of a distance, but you just gotta be really mindful of it because the drill bit will pull through when you're drilling. Like that, see how it pulls through. And then we're just gonna clean all these holes up and just paint them just so that they don't rust. And then we're gonna put our nutsert in it and then away we go. I said 10.5, that was allow you to, I just put a step drill in after just to clean up the edges and takes it up to pretty much an 11mm. So it's like between 10.5 and 11mm, just make sure you don't go too big, otherwise you're never gonna get your nutsert to grab, so just be careful with that. But we painted that, cleaned up all the burrs, and we're just gonna get it in now, install, let's go. And then after we're gonna blow all this out, all the swarf, I'll grab the big airline, quickly blow it out. I've already nutserted this bit up here, and we're just gonna pop this in here. Boop. Ratchet this bad boy up. Pull that out, and then now that's ready to be installed. I'll just quickly blow this out. We can grab this. So these are the longer ones. Short one for up here. You can probably actually even use the longer one up the top because it was a bit short up here before when I was threading it through. So I might use the longer one up here. Okay, that's in. Your bolt, M8, then your flat washer and your spring washer. So spring washer, then flat washer, all right? So then you're gonna pop these in. Back one. Easy as that. And then you just go around and pretty much do everything up. So you'll need a 13mm to do everything up. One of them. That one's done. We've done up this, done up that. All right, done all the rest up. Down here, you've got your tie down points where they were. We've got our new bolts down there. They'll be also included in the kit. So you get 2 replacement bolts for that down there. Easy as that. That's it. Solid as. Ready to store everything. Let's go. MOLLE panel on the left and MOLLE panel on the right in your GWM Cannon. Brand new 2025 GWM Cannon, but it fits all the models. So you can put storage, you can tie stuff to it. How cool is that? Anyway, order that at savagetech.com.au. Peace out, have a good one.